are going to interview one of the employees here in Bulgogi Brothers Korean Barbecue Restaurant. We get to know how they use MIS or the computerized system. And let's go. Let's see the employee.
But before that, we went to see the interior design of the restaurant and try their specialty called the boneless beef ribs that tickle our taste buds. We then interviewed the associate chef of the Bulgogi Brothers.
Thank you for your time, sir. At the Firm Student Services like to have an interview with you, sir, and we just wanted to know the following question. By the way, sir, what is the name of your establishment?
The name of our establishment is Bulgogi Brothers Korean Restaurant, Korean Barbecue Restaurant. We are a group company from Visto. So our sister company is such, which is Italianis tsaka Chicken Chinese. Yun yung mga sister companies natin ng probinsya.
So, what's your name?
Address of the company is Lanang Premier. Sunod pa ba?
No need, sir.
Okay, tapos yung of employee, ako si Sir Dave, associate chef ng Bulgogi Brothers. Tapos position, yun, associate chef. Educational background, I graduated at Tagum City Trade School. It's a vocational school. And then 2 years HR, and then actually parang associate parang. Next is length of service. So since opening ng Bulgogi Brothers siguro last year 2018, so I worked for about mga 1 year and 6 months.
Okay, sir. There are some follow-up questions.
What is the name or type of computerized system software you use in your establishment?
Basically, RM school yung RM school. Kasi, di ba, usually, di ba, may mga synergy, di ba, yung mga parang system na ginagamit usually ng mga ibang company. So, sa atin, we are remote by Manila. So, sila yung every time may problem kami regarding with our system, sa kanila kami humingi ng tulong. So, ang ginagawa nila from Manila, i-remote nila kung ano yung mga problema, at saka din, sila na din yung gumagawa ng solution.
Okay, sir. The next question, sir, is how does computerized system software help your company?
Ano ito siya? Meron tayong dalawang buildings dito, dalawa. Tapos, meron tayong parang general computer talaga na nag-handle ng system. So, nandun yung sa loob ng office natin. At saka, ang tulong niya is napapadali na yung service. Kasi pag once nag-punch yung server, dyan, automatic magre-relay yan ng mga order sa kitchen. At saka, ang computer system na naka-indicate na din doon yung mga discounts na usual na ginagrant ng company. Senior discounts, and then yung mga promotional discounts ng company. Tapos, nalalaman natin doon yung mga analysis. For example, kung ilang guest count ba meron tayo, ilang guest ba pumapasok sa atin everyday, magkano yung cost ng, magkano yung binabayaran ng per head, pinakalculate ng system yun. Tsaka, after nyo makalculate, nagbibigay siya ng analysis, tsaka yung analysis na yun, yung gagamitin natin para sa ating tinatawag yung planning.
Okay, next question, sir. Ano yung mga advantage at disadvantages ng computerized system nyo?
Advantage na is Kasi ang maganda kasi sa system natin is mabilis yung relay niya. So, for example, may mga nire-request yung ibang store, yung ibang management ay nire-request sila ng mga reports. Automatic pinapadala na natin yun. So, kung minsan naman, kinukuha na lang nila diretso sa system natin. Ganun siya kabilis. Pag once nag-punch ng order sa server, automatic lalabas sa kitchen, lalabas sa POS yan. Tapos sa loob ng kitchen, mayroon tayong tatlong printer. Yung tatlong printer na yun, maglalabas yun ng ticket. So, happyin niya. For example, may pantry tayo. Tapos, meron din tayong meat. Yung pantry tsaka meat, iba't ibang station ng kitchen. Tsaka may bar din tayo. Once na nag-punch, all throughout lahat ng mga in-orders para kita ng guest kay server, ipapunch na doon, one punch lang yan lahat. Pag once na go na niya yung orders na yun, automatic, pag nirelay niya sa kitchen, i-disseminate na yun. So, iba yung orders ni bar, iba yung orders ni meat, tsaka iba din yung orders ni pantry.
So, segregation.
Oo. Yun yung advantage niya.
Ay, disadvantage.
Yung ang disadvantage.
Ang disadvantage niya is ang disadvantage niya lang is kung magkakaroon lang ng problema, usually di naman talaga naiiwasan. Pero mostly talaga, ang mas maganda yung system natin compare sa iba. Kasi bihira lang kami nagkakaroon ng mga trouble sa ating system.
So, since we're talking about computerized systems, so does this computerized system need
Maintenance.
Oo. Maganda naman. Actually, when we talk about maintenance regarding to the system,
in a way na
what do you mean?
kailangan mo siya kanang murang mas-update
Actually, every month, natay mga updates. So, every time may bagong promo, na ina-update ng system. So, for example, line up text MIS. For example, dito siya. So, sa POS natin, pag once na si Bistro or yung tawag ito, yung pag may nirelay sila sa atin, for example, discount, automatic na nag-a-update sila. So, minsan sasabihin nila na they will going to shut down the computer for another upgrade. So, i-upgrade nila, ipapasok nila yung mga bagong update sa computer. Nang sa ganun, mas magiging maganda yung system, mas mapapabilis. At saka, kung may mga bagong promo sila, may papasok nila. So, ganun maganda yung system.
Yung computerized system niyo na sinasabi niyo, sir, madali lang siyang gamitin.
Actually, when I first started here, nag-buzzer ako. And then, after that, nag-server ako. So, maybe it took siguro mga 3 days to learn. Pero actually naman, madali naman siya. Madali lang siya kasi naka-disseminate naman kasi yung mga trabaho na para sa server at saka para kay management. For example, may discount. Si server, ang trabaho niya lang is mag-bill out using the POS tsaka mag-patch ng order. Ngayon, si manager, kung may mga discounts, siya na yung gumagawa ng mga discounts. So, ganun yun siya. Siguro mga 1 to 2 days, okay, pwede nyo naman. Alam nyo na kung paano siya gawin. Pero mas complicated siya when it comes to management na. Kung sa mga managers na, iba na yung parang level.
Iba na yung ginagamit.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your time. So guys, I hope you learned something from the interview. By the way, my name is Maricar Laksam, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!